Many traders want access to large trading capital without risking their own money. That's why thousands of traders try to get funded through FTMO. But for beginners, the process of buying an FTMO challenge can feel confusing. Which account size should be chosen? What settings should be selected? And what happens after the purchase? This video explains exactly how to buy an FTMO challenge step by step, so traders can start the path toward getting funded. Step 1. Create an FTMO account. The first step is creating an account on FTMO. This is where the entire process begins. Traders will need an FTMO account to purchase a challenge, track trading performance, access the trading dashboard, receive the funded account if the challenge is passed. If an account has not been created yet, simply click the link in the pinned comment or description and create or log into the FTMO dashboard before continuing with the process. Once the account is created and logged in, the next step is choosing the challenge account. Step 2. Choose the account size. After logging into FTMO, traders will see several different account sizes available. Common options include $10,000 account, $25,000 account, $50,000 account, $100,000 account, $200,000 account. The main difference between these accounts is the amount of capital available if the challenge is passed. Larger accounts provide higher profit potential, but the challenge fee is also higher. For beginners, many traders start with smaller accounts to become familiar with the rules and evaluation process. The most important thing is choosing an account size that fits the trader's experience and risk tolerance. Step 3. Select trading parameters. Once the account size is selected, traders must configure their challenge settings. On FTMO, the main parameters include trading platform. Traders can choose between platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader. The best choice is usually the platform the trader is already familiar with. Account type. There are two main types: normal risk account, aggressive risk account. Most traders choose the normal account because it provides more stable risk limits. Trading style. FTMO allows different trading styles, including day trading, swing trading, algorithmic trading, manual trading. However, traders should always check the rules to make sure their strategy complies with the program guidelines. After selecting these settings, the next step is purchasing the challenge. Step 4. Pay for the challenge. Once the account settings are selected, the challenge can be purchased. The fee depends on the account size chosen. For example, smaller accounts have lower fees, larger accounts have higher fees. The payment is a one-time evaluation fee, not a deposit for trading. This fee covers the evaluation process that determines whether a trader qualifies for a funded account. After completing the payment, the challenge account details will be sent by email. Traders will receive login credentials, trading, server information, platform access instructions. At this point, the challenge officially begins. Step 5. Start the FTMO challenge. The next step is completing the evaluation phase. During the challenge, traders must follow specific performance rules set by FTMO. The main objective is to reach a profit target while staying within the risk limits. For example, most standard challenges require reaching a profit target, respecting the daily loss limit, staying within the maximum overall loss. The challenge must also be completed within the allowed trading period. This stage tests whether the trader can manage risk and trade consistently. Step 6. Pass the verification phase. If the challenge is passed, traders move to the verification stage. Verification is a second evaluation designed to confirm that the trading results were not based on luck. The rules are similar to the first stage but usually less strict. During this phase, traders must again follow risk limits, maintain consistent trading behavior, avoid violating platform rules. Once the verification stage is completed successfully, the trader qualifies for the funded account. Step 7. Receive the funded account. After passing both stages, FTMO provides the trader with a funded account. This means the trader can now trade company capital. Key features of funded accounts include access to larger trading capital, profit sharing with the firm, the ability to scale the account over time. Profits generated from trading are shared between the trader and the firm, according to FTMO's payout structure. This is the stage where traders can potentially generate income from their trading performance. However, strict risk rules still apply. Important tips before starting the challenge. Before purchasing an FTMO challenge, there are several important things traders should understand. 1. daily loss. FTMO sets a maximum daily loss rule. If this limit is exceeded during the challenge, the account fails immediately. This is why proper position sizing is extremely important. 2. Maximum loss limit. There is also a maximum overall loss limit. This rule ensures that traders cannot lose too much capital during the evaluation process. Even if the profit target has not been reached, breaking this rule will end the challenge. 3. Risk management is critical. Many traders fail prop firm challenges because they take too much risk per trade. Successful traders usually risk a small percentage per trade. Follow a consistent strategy. Avoid emotional trading. The goal of the evaluation is not just to make profit quickly. The real objective is to demonstrate discipline and risk control. Buying an FTMO challenge is the first step toward trading larger capital through a proprietary trading firm. If the goal is to start this process, simply create an account using the link in the pinned comment or description and follow the steps explained in this guide.